Hi there, please like and subscribe. I hope you have saved your data to iCloud. Yeah, settings. Okay, please like and subscribe. Yeah, iCloud. Yeah. See all items. Yeah, uploaded to iCloud. Yeah. Contact, reminders, Safari, okay, games, books. Okay. Your phone will be new. Okay, let's go. Tap settings. General. Transfer or scroll down. Transfer or rest iPhone. We can rest. We can on all settings on network rest, reset the keyboard, handle, home screen layout, location, and privacy. Tap erase all content and settings. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. Yeah. Okay. And the apps and the data. Find activation bar. Tap continue. Are you sure you want to erase all media content and settings? This cannot be undone. Tap erase iPhone. Passcode for this iPhone. Enter the passcode used to unlock this iPhone. Uploading data. If you erase now, you may lose photos and other data that are being uploaded to upload. Finish uploading. Okay, erase now. Choose Apple account. Enter the Apple account password from my iCloud to turn or find my and activation lock. Tap turn off. Select your country or region. Choose how you like. Would you like medium, large? Tap continue. Quickly set up iPhone. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near your new iPhone to sign into your Apple account and get set up. Set up without another. Continue without. Choose another. Tap continue. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and the privacy is iPhone IP when an Apple feature asks you to use your personal information. Tap continue. Age range. Select the age range of the person who will use this iPhone. The information will help iPhone set or us set up parental controls and the safety features. Adopt. Set up later. Create passcode. Create a passcode you will use to unlock this iPhone. transfer your data apps and the data, get your exciting apps and information like photos, notes, and reminders onto your new device. Yeah, we can from iCloud backup, another app from Mac or PC from Android. Yeah, you can choose. Don't have a okay. Sign in with an Apple or phone number to use the App Store and other Apple services. Yeah, yeah. No, that also. Yeah, also we can another access the device to sign in, use multiple accounts, tap forget password or don't have an account. Set up what is an Apple, an Apple is the account you use to access everything Apple. You can sign into Apple service with the account and password. So set up later in settings. Are you sure you want to use you need an Apple account to use Apple Pay to App Store or cover other service. Creating one is free and easy. Don't use. Tap agree. Update your iPhone to automatically. Future software updates will be automatically downloaded and installed for you as they are released. You can manage this in software update settings. Tap continue. iMessage and FaceTime. People can contact you on all your devices. iMessage and FaceTime using your iPhone, a phone number or email address. The phone number of users will be sent to Apple to set up my message and FaceTime. Tap not. Location services. Location service allows maps and other apps and services like Find My Guide and they use that indicated your location. Tap later. Yeah, maps. Maps will screen time. Get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. You can also use screen time on children's devices in parental control. Stop continue. Yeah, share with them. Okay. Share help app developers improve their apps by choosing to share app activity and crash data with them through app. You can change your decision later settings. Dark outdoor dark. Select a light or dark appearance and they have iPhone just depending on which one you choose. Tap continue. Siri helps you find information and get things done just by asking. Just say Siri then request. Siri listens for its name at the beginning or press and hold the side okay to set up later. Emergency tap. iPhone's ready to help in an emergency. Press and hold for emergency SOS. Press and hold the side button and the 80 volume button to make an emergency call. Crash detection. If iPhone detects crash, it will automatically try to call emergency service. Stop continue. Okay. Please like and subscribe.